Hi everyone, it's Brett with It's Picking Time. We're messing around just with the strumming hand today. This is the A major, the C major, and the D. The D strumming pattern is only different because it's all down, but it's got accented strums, and we'll get into that in a second. The A is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you got to switch, leaving the middle finger down, 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 down to the C. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. Then we go to D, down, dun, dun, down, dun, dun, down, dun, down. 1 E and 2 E and 3 and 4, like that. Okay, so that's what we're trying to do. Let's move into the quad view and look at. Be watching the lower, I guess your lower left. So A is this. Dun, 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 dun. C. Dun, dun, dun. Back to A. Dun, 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 dun. C. Dun, dun, dun. And then. D is going to be real slow. Dun, 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 dun. Let's do that one more time. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so hopefully you can get that. Practice it up. It's just about strumming. If the right hand or your strumming hand is not having it, then don't change your chords. If the right hand needs more attention or bandwidth for your brain, then stop using your left hand. So we can just sit here on the right hand with the percussive and go da 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 da. That's C and a C and a C and A, or wait, I'm sorry, A and a A and a A and C C C, A and a A and a A and C C C, right? Do that 3 times, and then we go to the D, da 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 da. Okay, so that's the motion of the right hand. Whether you can move your left hand at the same time or not is just a matter of time. But right now we're trying to work on that strumming hand. Okay, enjoy, post, subscribe, whatever you got to do, and I'll see you soon.